Hello everybody, Smiddlesc back again. I'm back with a baseball hobby break. I got a box of 2009 Topps Ticket to Stardom. I picked this up at Blowout Cards for $38, and it looks like you get 3 hits. The interesting thing about these, they have old tickets from the games, so it's kind of different. I don't know if there's another product that has those in them. So looks like 20 packs, 12 cards per pack, so we're looking at 240 cards. That's a bunch. You don't see that too much nowadays, besides base tops and stuff like that. I had opened one of these up before and actually hit a 1-on-1 base card. I think it was Gary Matthews. So that was a nice little bonus. So tons of packs. Let's just start opening them. Pretty cheap break for 3 hits. So that's what the base cards look like, and I think 1 per pack. There's a short print, and I'll show you that in a second here. Pedroia and Vasquez. And what the short prints are, it looks like a little, see if I focus on the little ticket stubs. Got the little perforated edge there. So you get 1 of those per pack. Looks like I got hit right off the bat. Travis Buck jersey, and there's the ticket stubs, the Oakland A's versus Detroit Tigers 2008. That's pretty cool. That's numbered 70 of 224. There's my first hit right out of the bat. Alright, Mastrogen, Galarraga, Soria, and Cueto. Tons of base cards in this break. Alright, pack 2. Authentic ticket stub, it says. Now there are different parallels, so you know the silver border here, the other parallels would be different colors. Jason Bay, Juris, Frankie, Bronson Royal ticket stub short print. Grady Sizemore ticket to Stardom insert. Cards Drew, Freddie Sanchez, and a lot of guys that aren't in the league anymore. That's what happens. You open up, what was this, 7 years old product. Probably gonna be a long break with all these packs and cards, but I'll go as fast as possible. Tomei, that's kind of nice. Burl, Suzuki, Francoeur, perforated edge there. Right, this is a Grady Sizemore again, but this is a blue parallel, and that is numbered 11 out of 99. So 2 serial number cards already, the hit and that card. Dunn, Posada, Ramirez. There's a Felix Hernandez. Nice. Can't remember how many parallels. Seems like you got 3 of them, 2 or 3 parallels also, so not bad. Upton, David Wright, Hudson, Prince Fielder, Reyes, Tick Stub, Jeffries, Quinton, Funkadome, Roma, and Maine. Alright, let's keep it rolling. So I have 2 hits. Yeah, I don't think there's an autograph guarantee, but hopefully I'll hit one. Perkins, Twisky, Santana, Gonzalez, Derek Jeter short print, nice. Got the little edge in. It's a nice bonus there. Got David Price ticket to Stardom, not bad. Oh, Jimenez, Burnett, and Harden. Swisher, A-Rod, Castillo, A-Bar. There's a Troy Gloss, perforated. Brian Duzin there, rookie card, and that's a blue parallel. That's numbered to 99, so my 3rd serial number card. Not bad, both of those are numbered to 99. Desque, Norco, and Bradley. Oswalt, Kazmir, Cameron, Rios, Garco, the ticket stub of Brian Hind, Joey Votto ticket to Stardom, nice PC card there for me. Nice Berkman, Gary Matthews Jr., Utley. Alright. Shields, Saunders, Scoro, Cliff Lee, Manny Ramirez, Tick Stub, Manny Ramirez, seasoned veteran insert, in a Dodgers uniform. Cool. Hamels, Rollins, Creedy, Sizemore, Hank Blaylock. Brad Penny, Albert Pujols, Ellsbury. Looks like we have a hit coming up. Let's send it to the back. Millwood, Ken Griffey Jr. from Seattle. Rookie card of Derek Holland, Todd Helton. Oh, nice. Andrew McCutchen short print. Nice. Rookie card. Good bonus there. And the hit. I've got a ticket stub. Let's see. It says the Mariners and Rangers. Oh, Josh Hamilton on top. I was looking for his name. Dual jersey, the ticket stub against the Mariners. Cool. And that's numbered to 224 also. 222 and 224. So I'm gonna look up the ticket when I get home later and see if what he did that game. That'd be kind of cool thing to look up. So pretty cool hit so far. So hopefully, and that McCutchen was nice too. Hopefully I get a nice autograph card as the last hit. He's pretty happy. Longoria, Papelbon, Frank Floor, Webb. I get the Webb ticket stub. Kemp. And a checklist. Remember checklist? Tahara, even Josh Willingham, Michael Young, Longoria ticket stub, Bill Hall, Ricky Weeks, John Lester, Mike Williams, Scherzer, and Matt Cain. Alright, I'm getting down there. I don't know how many more packs, not too many more. Mauer, Gordon Beckham rookie card, Roya, Ross, Martin, and Chris Young, tick stub, Rivera, Huff, Volquez, and Ryan Friel. Still have one more hit. And he comes on Vartek, Connor Jackson, Kinsler, Guerrero, tick stub of Euclid. Gold parallel, Dustin Pedroia, big ticket. What is this, number 2? Oh, nice. Number 42 out of 50. That's my third non-hit serial number card, and that's number to 50. So I have 3 non-hit serial number cards under 99 or less. That's pretty nice. Kane, Young, Zimmerman, and another McCutchen rookie card. Cool. Base one that time. Otto, Wake, Lee, Mauer, ticket stub, Jabba Chamberlain, ticket to Stardom, insert, Verlander, Upton, and Jay Bruce. Looks like maybe 4 more packs to go. Still looking for that last hit. Hard and Sours, Davis, Ramirez, Papelbon, Prince Fielder ticket to Stardom, Euclid, Derek Jeter base, and Zambrano. Alright, Eric Chavez, Wang, Holiday, Zambrano ticket stub. And Weaver, Abreu, and Burrow. Actually, now I have 4 packs left. It just keeps on going and going. Gary Sheffield, Ortiz, Guy, Hafner, Ugla, Ryan Braun, big ticket insert. That's the base version, not numbered. Young, Ramirez, Reyes, Needy, and Garland. Demon, Fields, Braun, Howard, Beckham rookie card, and a hit. Oh, we got the one last hit. Matt Lato's rookie card. Jones, Pettit, and Norman. And we have an autograph. That's solid. Irvin Santana. Autographed jersey. Looks like maybe a gold version. A pretty nice autograph. It is sticker. Kind of stands out a little bit there. But he did a good job signing that sticker autograph. Yeah, and this is low numbered. About 6 out of 10. Or 20. No, 10. 6 out of 10. Sweet. Not bad at all. Alright, so that should be my last hit. So hopefully maybe I'll get one more number card. I have 2 packs left. Got Nathan, Hamilton, Holiday. We got a Schaefer rookie card. A-Rod, big ticket base. Low, Vernon Wells, Beckett, and Hudson. Alright, last pack. Hardy, Hunter Pence. Gotta go Alex Gordon. Perry rookie card. Ticket stub. Got a seasoned veteran, Siriano. Wood, Chamberlain, Lee, Roberts, and Chris Davis. Wow, it's a pretty fun break. You know, if $38. I think if you can find these for $35 to $40 range, probably worth it. Get several inserts. I got a couple of nice McCutcheon rookies, including that short print one. And let's see, I got 3 serial number cards. I got 2 numbered to 99, Sizemore, and then I got the Troya numbered to 50. I got a jersey of Travis Buck, 224. I got Josh Hamilton, 224 double jersey. And lowest number card in the box, Irvin Santana autograph jersey numbered to 10. That's it for this break. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. You get a ton of base with this product.